that this night is going to be a spectacular success. It already is. I just like to say some things straight from the heart. Something about India, I mean, we're all very proud of our country and our culture and our heritage, but something puzzles me. It's that, you know, we've had this tradition of thousands of years of Dhan, Punya, Zakat, across the spectrum of religions, right, to give selflessly. But somehow, doing anything in our country that is not for profit is just so incredibly difficult. It's just such an uphill task. I mean, personal experience, a few years ago when the tsunami happened, and I was there in the villages, looking at the devastation myself, wanting to fix things, and suddenly from being this, kind of spoiled, filmy hero who's, used to his suite in the five-star hotel, I was living in a tent and trying to give it all my commitment, a tent on the beach, trying to live along with those people who are trying to rebuild their lives. But I think the effort of having to go out there with a begging bowl literally and requesting people that I knew across all spectrums to come out and give, to come out and help people rebuild their lives was so difficult. And when Mahika came and met me, it kind of resonated the same thought. I mean, when I saw the passion in her eyes, when I saw that the pain that she was feeling, that look, it is so difficult to put this together. She does a million shows for, as a professional, and they're all tremendously successful. And she doesn't have to put in a tenth of the effort when she does it professionally. But when it's for charity, it's so much more difficult. So I really want to stand here tonight and commend, celebrate this effort, this commitment, this passion that Mahika has shown to put MCAN on this pedestal that it is in just the second year. I think it's pretty incredible. Tata Memorial, I mean, hats off to you guys. I've been there a number of times. I work closely with Tata Memorial. Over the last 12 years, I've been doing a number of programs there for children, especially through the Cancer Patients Aid Association, fundraisers for the kids there, and these guys are fantastic. I mean, I remember going in and reading storybooks to children at Tata Memorial who are fighting cancer 1 week, and a week later you find out that one of those kids that you really bonded with, that connected with you, that looked you in the eye and smiled at you, and they've breathed their last. You won't see them ever again. And that can really shake you, that can really move who you are, the core of you. And when I see these doctors, like Dr. De Cruz and his whole team, just with the incredible commitment to go in day after day after day with the same smile, to go out there and give hope to people, especially people who are fighting cancer, and the family members of those who are distraught with the fact that their loved ones are fighting cancer. I think that is an incredible service that goes beyond medicine. What I love about MCAN, and what I love about this night, that all of you have made possible, is that all of us in this room have lost someone that we love to cancer. All of us. Me, Mahika, all of you people. Someone that you care about. And this, I think, is the most beautiful way to encapsulate the spirit, to create a living monument to the love that you felt for the people that you lost to cancer. Because in this love, in this night, in all that we're doing here this evening, there's hope for so many people who are fighting cancer right now. So thank you so much for being here tonight, and more power to you, mate. More power to MCAN.
Thank you, Vivek. So well said. Once again, a round of applause to Vivek Oberoi. Thank you. Mahika, I'd like you to join me because we have a lovely announcement to make. And it's very good news because I love this part. Hey, Nirja Dhawan, congratulations. Oh, wow. Mahika, Mirpuri, you're going to be very happy with this one. Her piece has gone for 5 lakhs. Huge round of applause, too. Congratulations. Okay, the Viceroy Maldives went for 2.5 lakhs. That's incredible to... And the Brinda Miller went for 1.5 lakhs too. Amazing, incredible round of applause. And Subhash Ochad went for 1.25 lakhs too. That's incredible. Thank you so much for your kind generosity. This goes to an incredible cause, and I'm so happy that everybody participated tonight. It's incredible. Would you like to say something, Mahek? I think we're all waiting for you to say something. Come on, don't be shy.
Thank you so much for so much support, friends, family. Without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Thank you so much. Evening, the bar is open and dinner is served. Thank you.
And before you go anywhere, it wouldn't be a night if I didn't thank all these people. So, ladies and gentlemen, this event was directed by Anu Ahuja. Please give her a round of applause. Makeup and hair by Clint Fernandez. Backstage management, Delnaz Darwala. And event production, Landmark Events. Also like to tell you a little about Kavita Ji's new album, Trance, with Kushrao releases. It's a very nice blend of trance and Sufi music. CDs are at the counter and you can buy it. And this money will...
last year form हुआ था. It's been a personal cause, so it's a personal loss to me. Vivek Oberoi has lent his support, and very happy. Thank you so much for this. And मैं बस इतना बोलना चाहती हूँ कि charity begins from your heart, and whatever any amount anybody can give, we're just trying to help and reach out to people who can't afford any treatment for the underprivileged. So my plea is, please donate generously and please help and support the underprivileged.
Yeah, I'm really happy to be here tonight. I think Mahika, who's a really successful designer in her own right, has decided to take her brand, her goodwill, and extend it beyond herself. अच्छे काम के लिए निस्वार्थ भावना से जो कर रही हैं, MCAN एक इतना अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. मुझे लगता है सभी को ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए. मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है जब कोई ऐसा काम करता है निस्वार्थ भावना से, क्योंकि ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कैंसर से पीड़ित हैं. पूरे देश में ऐसे बहुत सारे परिवार हैं जो गांव की अपनी ज़मीन, अपना घर, अपनी गाय भैंस, जो उनकी संपत्ति है, सब बेचकर यहाँ पर आते हैं. रहने के लिए जगह नहीं है, खाने के लिए खाना नहीं है. बस एक आशा है, एक होप है कि हमारा घर वाला जिसे हम प्यार करते हैं, हमारा बच्चा, वो कैंसर से बच जाए कहीं ना कहीं. और उसके लिए भी जो पैसे लगते हैं, कीमोथेरेपी वगैरह जो रहता है, 12 साल से हम करते आ रहे हैं, तो हमें पता है बहुत मुश्किल लड़ाई है ये. और ऐसे में जब MCAN का सपोर्ट मिलेगा, जब टाटा मेमोरियल जैसे हॉस्पिटल में ऐसे मुफ्त के इलाज लोगों तक प्राप्त होंगे, मुझे लगता है इनकी सारी दुआएं इनको जाएंगी. और दुआएं से बड़ा कोई अवार्ड नहीं, दुआओं से बड़ा कोई पैसा नहीं.
सिंपल है तो सिंपल आउटफिट बना है. नहीं, आज के थीम को रखते हुए आई वांटेड समथिंग वेरी अंडरस्टेटेड, क्लासी येट वेरी स्मार्ट. एंड बेसिकली मेरा स्टाइल का जो एलिमेंट है, स्पेशली मेंस वेयर मैं करती नहीं हूँ. दिस इज जस्ट आउट ऑफ माय पर्सोना दैट आई हैव दैट पर्सनालिटी. तो इनके पर्सनालिटी को रखते हुए मैंने कुछ सिंपल बट स्ट्रॉन्ग डिज़ाइन किए हैं। तो कलर्स फिट को जोधपुरी जो स्टाइल में है तो उनके पूरे इज फिट, सो सब कुछ ध्यान में रखते हुए इनके लिए कुछ डिज़ाइन किया।
आपके स्टाइल्स के बारे में तो हम जानते हैं, डायनासोर का लुक है, ऐसे भी हैं आप।
जी
गेटअप के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
यार, ये जैसे महिका ने बताया, उन्होंने मेरे लिए बनाया है ये आउटफिट और मैं बड़ा अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि नॉर्मली ये सिर्फ लड़कियों के लिए कपड़े बनाती हैं और मर्द के लिए भी बनाया है मेरे लिए, तो आई फील वेरी स्पेशल and it's a really cool outfit. I like the fact that it's simple, it's classy and well cut, well defined. I was quite surprised. You know, मैंने कहा कि अभी आपको एक मेंस लाइन भी शुरू कर देना चाहिए क्योंकि इतना अच्छा कट जो है वो मेन का जो डिज़ाइन का जो फार्मा होता है, जो कट होता है, वो सभी के लिए करना आसान नहीं है. I think she's a great designer and she's very versatile. And I just hope M-Can जो इनका इनिशिएटिव है बहुत सक्सेसफुल रहे. हाँ जी. यार मैंने नहीं देखी है. इनफैक्ट ऋतिक ने मुझे बुलाया भी था. उन्होंने एक स्क्रीनिंग रखी थी. उन्होंने कहा यार सब मिलकर देखते हैं. मैंने कहा मैं बैंगलोर जा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरी वाइफ का बर्थडे था. मैंने कहा यार या तो बैंग बैंग या फिर घर पे बैंग बैंग. तो मुझे जाना था और हमने बैंगलोर में जन्मदिन मनाया और मैं आया हूँ वापस महिका के शो के लिए. अब कल परसों में मैं फिल्म भी देख लूँगा. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर ऋतिक बिकॉज इतनी बड़ी सुपर हिट रही है फिल्म. I know he's worked really hard at it and I love the guy and I wish him all the success in the world. Yes, of course. What can I say? Mr. Bachchan is truly a legend and we are all very fortunate to have been blessed with his presence and he's a pillar, he's a stalwart of our industry. हमारे बॉलीवुड के स्तंभ हैं और उनको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं उनके जन्मदिन पर और चाहूँगा कि उनको शतायु मिले, दीर्घायु मिले. बस यही हमारी प्रार्थना है उनके लिए.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Arunesh. You brother.
Last.
Light.